noble installing marshal. You will conduct them to their proper places. Noble installing marshals, you will present the first ceremony master, the second ceremony master, and the marshal.
Huh?
Richard, we have a problem. We need a marshal. We're missing a marshal.
You gotta be shitting.
All we have is ceremonial masters. I think we should inform the installing officer.
What is this confusion in the temple?
Illustrious installing officer. The marshal is missing. What shall we do?
Well, it's noble installing marshal. You invest the first ceremony master, Noble Ritter, second ceremony master, Noble Remington, with their jewels first.
Bob right.
Get them out of the way.
Do you have the first ceremony master?
Yes. We'll blame it on the
Mike said it was first ceremony master.
Noble installing marshal. You will conduct the first and second ceremony master to their proper places, and then go in search of the marshal.
Follow me.
Walk like this.
Walk like this.
No, this way. Walk this way. That's a fish roll for you.
That is the official demand shuffle.
You better tell the guy at the end of the line then.
That's not part of Richard, by the way.
All right, go find somebody.
Take anybody.
Where is this guy?
We certainly don't
No, you don't want him. He's been there now.
Never.